Good morning, student. Welcome back to your maths class. Last class, I thought about multiples. So today, I am going to explain what is a prime number and what is a composite number, twin primes. Okay, children. Now, let us start our class. Prime number. Numbers that have only two factors, one and the number itself, are called prime numbers. I told you what are the factors. One is neither a composite number nor a prime number. Yes, one is not a composite number, not a prime number. And 2 has how many factors? 1 2s are 2. So 1 and 2 are the factors of 2. And I told you 1 is a factor of every number. And the number itself is a factor. Right? And what are the factors of 3? 1 and 3 are the factors of 3. Then what are the factors of 4? See. 1 4s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 4 1s are 4. So 1, 2, 4 are the factors of 4. And what are the factors of 5? 1 5s are 5 and 5 1s are 5. So 1 and 5 are the factors of 5. Clear, Nana? And what are the factors of 6? 1 6 are 6, 2 3s are 6, 3 2s are 6, 6 1s are 6. So 1, 2, 3, 6 are the factors of 6 and so on. Okay. Here prime number means what? Numbers that have only two factors. What are those two factors? 1 and the number itself. Those are called prime numbers. See here example. What are the prime numbers here? 2 has how many factors? 2 factors. What are those? 1 and the number itself. So 2 is a prime number. Same as 3. 3 has how many factors? 2. What are those? 1 and the number itself are the factors of 3. So 3 is also a prime number. 4. 4 has how many factors? 3 factors. So is it a prime number? No, because the prime number are 1 and the number itself are the factors. So it is not a prime number. Clear, children? And 5 has how many factors? 1 and 5. So 5 is a prime number. And see the 6. 1, 2, 3, 6. So it has more than 2 factors. So it is not a prime number. Is it clear, children? So on. And the primes. Okay, is it clear what is a prime number? A prime number have only two factors, that is 1 and the number itself. It is very, very important. Okay, then what is a composite number? Numbers that have more than two factors. More than two factors are called composite numbers. See, here 2 to 6 I wrote the factors. In that, what are the composite numbers? Composite numbers is more than 2 factors. 4 has how many factors? More than 2 factors. 6 is also more than 2 factors. So 4 and 6 are the composite numbers. Example. Four, 6, 8, 9, etc. Is it clear, children? Composite number means it has more than two factors. 1 and the number itself. Eratosthenes was a Greek mathematician who lived in 3rd century. He found a simple method of finding prime numbers. See, what is that method? This is of Eratosthenes' prime factorization method. See here, 1 is a prime number? No, it is not a prime number nor a composite number. So, just you put a cross on 1. Then second one, is 2 prime number? Yes, because it has only 2 factors, that is 1 and the number itself. So, please circle the 2. Now you see, all the multiples of 2 you cross out. See, that means 2 is a prime number. Leave the first one. Now, 2 2s are 4. Strike out. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. 2 5s are 10. 2 6s are 12. 2 4s are 17. 2 8s are 16. 2 9s are 18. 2 10s are 20. 2 11s are 22. You know that what is the factor of 2 means? Is it divisible by 2? How you will find out? Last digit must be 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 are there. Those numbers are divisible by 2. So those numbers, 1's plus digit, check it. It is 4, so strike out. Here 6, strike out. 8, strike out. 0, strike out. Like that. Here 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. Again 2, 4, 6. I am checking 1's plus digits. Is it clear? 8, 0. Again 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. Then 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. 2, 4, 6, 8 zeros. These are all divisible by 2. These are all divisible by 2. Now see, divisibility of 2. I cancel all the divisibility. These numbers are divisible by 2. So only 2 is a even prime number. Clear? What is the even prime number? 2 is only even prime number. Remaining all the even numbers, 2 is one of the factor. So remaining all even numbers not a prime number. Those are all composite numbers. Only 2 is even prime number. Then go to 3. 3 has how many factors? 2 factors. What are those? 1 and the number 3 itself. So it is a prime number. So what I want to do? I want to do circle the 3. So I circle the 3. Clear? Now, according to the divisibility rule of 3, sum of the digits in the number is divisible by 3, then the number is divisible by 3. So, cancel all the multiples of 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. Should cancel it. Okay. After that, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15. Cancel it. Next, 3 6s are 18, 3 7s are 21. Strike out. 3 8s are 24, 3 9s are 27. Why I cancel these all the numbers? Because 3 is factor of all these numbers. That's why remaining numbers are not the factors of, not the prime numbers. Those are composite numbers. Clear? Now, here up to you know that 3 10s are 30. 3 11s are also 33. You know that. So, cancel it. Remaining, how to check it? Here you use the divisibility rule of 3. What is the divisibility rule of 3? Sum of the digits, if you are adding sum of the digits, it is divisible by 3, then the number is divisible by 3. See here, 3 plus 5. How much? 8. Is 8 divisible by 3? No. So leave it. Now you go to this. 3 plus 7, 10. Is 10 divisible by 3? No. Then leave it. Then you go to here. 3 plus 9, 12. Is it divisible by 3? Yes. So this number is divisible by 3. Strike. Strike off. Okay. Now 4 plus 1, 5. 5 is not divisible by 3. Same way 4 plus 3 is not divisible by 3. 4 plus 5, 9. 9 is divisible by 3. So for this number 3 is a factor. So it is a composite number. Now 4 plus 7, 11. 11 is not divisible by 3. So leave it. Next 4 plus 9, 13. 13 is also not divisible by 3. Then 5 plus 1, 6. 6 is divisible by 3. So for this number 3 is a factor. So it is a composite number. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 is not a prime number. 5 plus 5 plus 3, 8. 8 is not divisible by 3. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 is not divisible by 3. So leave it. 5 plus 7, 12. 12 is divisible by 3. So for this number, 3 is a factor. Okay. Now 5 plus 9. Remaining numbers only I am checking. Are you observed that? Already I strike out those numbers I am leaving. Remaining what left, those numbers only I am checking. 5 plus 9, 14. Is 14 divisible by 3? No. Leave it. Now 6 plus 1, 7. 7 is divisible by 3? No. 6 plus 3, 9. Is 9 divisible by 3? Yes. So for 63, 3 is a factor. So 63 is a composite number. 6 plus 5, 11. Is 11 divisible by 3? No. So leave it. Next 6 plus 7, 13. Is 13 divisible by 3? No. Then you leave it. 6 plus 9, 15. Is 15 divisible by 3? Yes. So 3 is a factor of 69. So it is strike off. Next 7 plus 1, 8. 8 is not divisible by 3. Leave it. 7 plus 3, 10. 10 is not divisible by 3. 7 plus 5, 12. Is 12 divisible by 3? Yes. So for 75, 3 is a factor. So it is not a prime number. Next 7 plus 7, 14. Is 14 a prime number? No. Sorry. 7 plus 7, 14. 14 is divisible by 3? No. So leave it. Next 7 plus 9, 16. Is 16 divisible by 3? No. Then leave it. 8 plus 1, 9. Is 9 divisible by 3? Yes. So 3 is a factor of 81. So cancel it. 8 plus 3. 8 plus 3 how much? 11. 8 plus 3 is 11. 8 plus 5 how much? 13. Is 13 divisible by 3? No. So it is leave it that way. 8 plus 5, 85. Now 8 plus 7, 15. Is 15 divisible by 3? Yes. So 87 is divisible by 3. So 3 is a factor of 87. Now 8 plus 9, 17. Is 17 divisible by 3? No. Leave that 89. Now 91. 9 plus 1, 10. Is 10 divisible by 3? No. So the leave this number. 9 plus 3, 12. Is 12 divisible by 3? Yes. So 3 is a factor of 93. So strike out. 9 plus 5, 14. Is 14 divisible by 3? No. Leave 95. Then you go to the 97. 97. 9 plus 7, 16. Is 16 divisible by 3? No. Leave this. Now 9 plus 9, 18. Is 18 divisible by 3? Yes. So 3 is a factor of 99. Okay children? Okay. Now already 4 4 is striked. So no need to check the fourth one. Now take 5. Is 5 is a prime number? Yes, it is a prime number because it has only two factors, that is 1 and 5. So circle the 5. Now check the 5 multiples in this table. Okay, you know that what are the divisibility condition of 5? One's plus digit must be 0 or 5. For those numbers all are divisible by 5. So here 5 2 is 10, 0 cancel, 5 already it is strike 20, 25. This is strike off. Why? Because for these numbers 5 is a factor. Same way 30 already strike 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65. Why I am cancelling these numbers? Because for all these numbers 5 is a factor. No, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100 already it is strike off. Okay, Nana? Now 6, no need to check it the 6. Now go to 7. 7. Strike out 7 multiples in this table. 7 1s, 7 2s 14 already striking. 7 3s 21. 7 4s are 28. 7 5s are 35. 7 6s are 42. Right? 7 7s are 49. We strike out. Because 7 is a factor of 49. Okay? Now 7 8s are 56. Already it is cancelled. 7 9s are 63. It is also cancelled. 7 9s are 63. 7 10s are 70. 7 11s are 77. Strike off. Okay. 7 11s are. Okay. 7 12s are 84. 7 11 77. After that 7 12s 84. After that 7 13s 91. So 91 you strike off. 7 14s 98. Already it is there. So remaining all cancelled. Okay children? Completed. Now 8th one not there. 9th one already strike off. 10th one strike off. Now you check it the 11th one. Strike out the 11th multiples. See. This is 11 is a prime number or not? It is a prime number because it has how many factors? 2 factors. What are those? 1 and 11. So circle the 11. Okay children? 11 2 is 22 cancel. 11 3 is 33. 11 4 is 44. 11 5 is 55. 11 6 66. 11 7 is 77. 11 8 is 88. 11 9 is 99. Already it is cancelled in this table. Okay, remaining what is there? Already 12 strike off. Now 13. Is 13 a prime number or a composite number? 1 13 is a 13. 13 1s are 13. No other factors except 1 and 13. So 13 is a prime number. Please circle the 13. Now 13th table. 13 is a prime number. I told you 13 2s are 26. Already it is cancelled. 13 3s are 39. 13 4s are 42. Already it is cancelled. 13 5s are 13 4s are 52. Already it is cancelled. 13 5s are 65. It is cancelled. 13 6 are 78. It is cancelled. 13 6 are 13 7s are 91. It is cancelled. Remaining not there in this table up to 100 or you know. So 13 and leave it the 13. Now you go to 17. Is 17 a prime number? Yes. It has only 2 factors, that is 17 and 1. So it is a prime prime number. Circle the 17. Now, cancel all multiples of 17. 17 ones are 17. 17 twos are 34. It is already cancelled. 17 threes are 51. It is also cancelled. 17 fours are 68. It is cancelled. Now 17 fives are 85. It is also cancelled. Now 17 six are 17 six are 1 or 2, not there in this table. Okay children, so leave that 1. Now 19. 19 how many factors? 2 factors. What are those? 1 and the number 19 itself. So it is a prime number. Circle the 19. 19 twos are 38. It is also cancelled. 19 threes are 57. It is also cancelled. 19 fours are 76. It is also cancelled. 19 fives are 95. It is also cancelled. This up to 100 it is completed. Now you go to 23. Is 23 is a prime number? So check the multiples of the 23 in this table. 23 ones are 23. 23 twos are 46. It is already strike off. 23 threes are 69. It is also strike off. Now 23 fours are, see 23 into 4. 4 threes are 12. 1. 4 twos are 8 plus 1 92. It is also strike off. No other numbers. Okay Nana? Now 29. Circle the 29 because it has only 2 factors, that is 1 and the number itself. So 29 multiples. You see the 29 multiples. 29 twos are 2 nines are 18. 2 twos are 4 plus 1 5 58. Already it is strike. Now 29 threes are 3 nines are 3 sevens are 27. 2 carrying 3 twos are 6 plus 2 87. It is also strike off. Remaining up to 100 only, no? So 29 is completed. Now you go to 31. 31. How many factors it has? 2 factors. 1 and 31. So it is a prime number. So please circle the 31. Now 31 twos are 62. It is strike off. Now 31 threes are 93. It is also strike off. Completed. Now 37. It has only 2 factors, that is 1 and 37. 37 twos are 2 sevens are 14. 2 threes are 6 plus 1 7 74. Already it is strike off. Okay. 37 threes are 3 sevens are 21. 3 threes are 9 plus 2 11. 111. It is not there in this table, so leave it. 37 is completed. Next, 41. 41 twos are 82. Already strike off. Remaining numbers not there. So 41 is a prime number. Please circle the number. Same way 43. No other factors other than 1 and the number itself. So it is a prime number. Please circle it. 43 twos are 86. Already it is strike off. Now we go to 47. 47 has only 2 factors, 1 and the number itself, so it is a prime number. Okay. 47 twos are 94. It is already strike off. Remaining 53. It has only 2 factors, 1 and 53. Okay. So if you are multiplying by 2, it will come more than 100. So no need to check it. So remaining how much? 59. So 59 also a prime number. It has only 2 factors, 1 and Same way 61 is a prime number. It has only two factors, that is 1 and the number itself. Next 67. Next 71. Next 73. Next 79. Next 83. Next 89. Next 97. These are the prime numbers between 1 to 100. What are the prime numbers? See, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. The primes between 1 to 100 are, see, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89 and 97. These are the primes between 1 to 100. Okay children, see here. Number of primes between 1 to 100. How many numbers are there? Prime numbers between 1 to 100. See how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So how many primes? 25 primes are there in between 1 to 100. Number of primes between 1 to 50 are, how many are there? 1 to 50. See here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So how many are there? 50. Is it clear children? Learn what are prime numbers and what are composite numbers. I will meet you in the next class. I will explain about twin primes in that class. Okay children? Have a nice day. Thank you.